My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I can't afford all my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the star to show me where I go, just like a new you were.
And I'm flurrying sounds and sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the star to show me where I go, just like a new you were. Simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home. And life is nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home. My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many